In this video, I am going to show you how to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams offers several quick methods to start an instant meeting, ensuring you can connect with your teams efficiently. Here's how you can set up a meeting instantly using different approaches. Method 1. Using the Chat tab. Open the Microsoft Teams application on your device. Navigate to the Chat tab. At the top of your chat list, you'll need to press the video call button, symbolized by a video camera icon. Click this to start a video meeting immediately. The second method is using the Calendar tab. Ensure you're in the Microsoft Teams application. Switch to the Calendar tab within Teams. Click on the Meet Now button, located at the top of the screen, to begin the meeting right away. You need to give the meeting a name, and it will generate a link for you to share with your teammates so they can join. To share the meeting link via email, simply select Share via email. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.